everybody. It is day 3. We are, well, everybody else is still sleeping. I'm editing the video from yesterday. And I am having to sit in the car because some rain came in last night. So that's fun. We are probably going to go into Tulsa today. You guys enjoy the video from today.
Here, welcome to Catoosa.
Rylan, wait for Papa.
Could it swim in water by itself?
No. You can't swim. No swimming.
You're in water.
Come on, let's go take a look.
Can I go in the whale?
You can walk on the whale, yes. But they're...
There's also many whales.
Yeah. Little muddy.
No, reach out your dick.
No, stay down.
Yeah, don't...
Bye, we go back up there.
We can't go up there. Follow Big Brother. Okay, stop there. Stop there.
Stop there.
No, Becky, ew.
This is Catoosa. It was made by an artist for his wife. This used to be a big swimming area for people along Route 66, and now it's a fishing hole, and you can't swim here anymore. But there's these lovely little tables. You can have a picnic. You see the kids and the husband and everybody here right off of Route 66 in Catoosa, Oklahoma.
We went to Tulsa.
Now why did we go to Tulsa?
2 reasons. I wanted the Vans Tulsa sticker, which they didn't have, and I wanted Hertz Donuts. Well, me and Dad both wanted Hertz Donuts, but that was an hour out of the way.
Was Tulsa in the way?
Yeah.
What was the only reason we went to Tulsa?
We went to Tulsa for 2 reasons,
Yes.
but then we decided not to go for the other reason.
Specifically for who?
Me and Dad.
Not for Dad, because Dad didn't need to go.
But Dad wanted Hertz Donuts too.
Yes, but Dad didn't need the Hertz Donuts.
And I didn't need to go. You guys decided you wanted to go too. We had nothing else to do. It rained all last night.
But we probably could have stayed, because the rain actually cleared up early, didn't it?
Yeah, but it was still wet.
Did you get your sticker?
No.
Because, explain the sticker.
Apparently they don't have it in every state, which is kind of stupid. It'd be like getting a as Dad put it, it'd be like getting a Hard Rock Chicago t-shirt and the next Hard Rock you go to just says Hard Rock Cafe. It's kind of dumb.
Yeah.
So as you already know, this is our campsite that we're at here in Natural Falls State Park in Oklahoma. There's our fire. I got brisket and sausage cooking in the Dutch oven. I've been checking out this path like over here into the woods just behind the campsite. And I've been wanting to check it out further. It looked like there's like a little cliff face down here and stuff, and it looked kind of neat. We don't really have a clearing to get through here. There is one over here, and I've been wanting to check it out since we've been here, but that's somebody else's campsite, so I, didn't want to walk over here. But they're out for the day, so we're going to check it out here. We already walked down here, and we were quite surprised of the drop-off that is directly behind the campground. you can see here, that's a good drop right here. It goes way down there. See the exposed bedrock there, and the cliff that goes down. This all leads down in there is where that creek runs that we were at yesterday, where we took that walk down to the waterfall. So this is kind of neat. Kind of wish the kids are a little bit small to be hiking through stuff like this, but they're a couple years older and a little bit more sure-footed. Guarantee you we'd be checking out these crevices and walking down in here especially. It looks like a lot of fun down there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's directly behind the campsite here. And then right over there on the other side there is where the yurt campground is that we walked to over those bridges yesterday. So like I said before, eastern Oklahoma is far different than what you see if you're in Oklahoma City and head west.
I dislocated my shoulder one time on one of those. I ran full speed into it, grabbed it, and I went yeet, and I fell off. No, a lot faster.
I can't. It doesn't spin. It's like my weight messes it up.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of your weight.
It stops. That doesn't work.
I was gonna make Smart Island comment.
Whoa!
Could I try it?
No.
Are you Big Boo or Little Boo?
Big Boo.
Okay.
Mama.
Grab on, hold tight. If your brother can hold on that long, so can you. I wasn't supporting him.
Your body weight stops.
Mama, did you?
Can I try?
No.
She can do it without somebody holding on to her.
Yeah, I guess.
Unless you're up there.
No, you don't. See, it's not that far.
See?
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
No, let go. Let go.
I got up. I got up. I got up.
No, stand up.
I'm watching, baby.
Stand up. No.
That was pretty good. I got up. I got up.
And let go.
Lean backwards and let go.
Lebo, lean backwards and then let go with your hands. Okay, ready?
Careful. Watch his feet don't slide through.
He was doing what you told him to.
I don't want to taste it.
Fire tastes good, Rylan?
No, I don't like that anymore.
Fire.
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 Fire. Burn your mouth. Fire.
Fire.
Fire. By seeing
Fire.
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 Fire. I love fire. You love the taste of your eating fire. I love Abby.
Yeah. I love you. Good night.
No, not really. Tomorrow's gonna be fun ride home.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll keep the tools that we need to change the fuel filter inside the van.
Hopefully we've gotten through the last of the fuel.
Yeah, but I mean, still, we should probably keep the tool, the 2 wrenches inside of it.
I understand.
And not on the outside. I'm tired.
Oh, okay.
But I don't want to go to bed yet.
I mean, you can go outside and sit by the fire for a little
No.
bit. Why don't you want to go back outside?
It's cold.
It's cold?
Bye.
Good night. Love you.
Hey, kid, love you, bud.
We drove and got...
Went to Tulsa, drove around Tulsa for a little bit.
Drove around Tulsa for a little bit. Took the kids on let them ride a carousel.
Walked
was the
around
mall.
a not quite dead mall, but dying.
Yeah,
Just like all
the rest of the
malls in
malls.
the United States are.
Got the teenagers some stickers.
Kids got to ride the carousel. Did you say that?
I did say that.
Okay.
Kids got to ride a carousel.
Yeah, they got to ride.
We,
I got Del Taco. Del Taco.
he really was happy about Del Taco. We did Waffle House for breakfast because of the raid. I was up at like 6:37 and they actually let you sleep till 10 this morning.
I slept till 10 o'clock in the morning.
Amazing.
I don't even get to sleep till 10 o'clock in the morning at home.
No, everybody was sleeping. They let him sleep. Maybe we'll get lucky and they'll listen. What time do we have to be out at the campsite tomorrow?
I don't think they're too strict about that. Doesn't seem like they're very strict. I mean, if we were leaving on Friday and they needed the site cleaned up for Friday arrivals, I imagine they'd probably be strict. Probably letting us know.
Yeah.
I don't think they're going to be too strict on a Tuesday.
We probably should.
Considering how empty the park is.
But in the future, we should probably keep track of that kind of stuff.
Yeah, check out times. Usually like 10 or 11. So
Yeah. So we're going to get up.
keep a better eye on it. We'll be more considerate in the future when I think there's an actual reason for it.
Yeah. So we're going to get up. We're going to have breakfast tomorrow. And then we get to see if this Titanic will make it home. Ooh, we did see Catoosa.
We did see Catoosa. We
saw
saw the
Catoosa.
big blue whale of Catoosa.
So you guys now get to see why we call the box truck Catoosa.
Yes.
So that's cool.
Yes, it is indeed. I thought it was there longer.
Really?
But the heyday of the Route 66 was like in the 50s and 60s.
When was it?
That wasn't put up until the mid-70s when
Oh.
the interstate system was already in place. So how much of a roadside attraction for Route 66 could it have been when Route 66 was already on the way out in the 70s when it opened?
It's interesting.
Absolutely.
Emptied the gray Blackwater tanks properly.
Properly, I did indeed.
Okay.
We
And
were not expecting how fast the gray water would fill up.
yeah, because he emptied it yesterday.
Day and a half of doing dishes and not even taking showers, which kind of concerns me because we didn't even get to take showers in here because we don't have propane in the tank, so no consistent hot water.
But the teenager had an idea on that,
Just doing what? On the what?
based on when the RV was built.
Oh, he did.
He did.
That was a good
Yeah.
idea. That was a good theory from a 17-year-old
What was this
mind.
theory again?
That in the 80s when this was built, they were very big in the buy big and throw it away in America. And so they probably weren't planning on doing dishes. They probably were just planning on buy paper plates and throw them away and plastic utensils and throw it away. So in the 80s you weren't big on efficiency.
Yeah.
So,
Our lovely toddler decided he didn't want to go to sleep tonight.
no, he wanted to dance on the driver's chair while his sisters were sleeping in bed. So he was standing on top of one of the sisters and dancing one of the times I opened the door.
Yes, we did find. Oh, we did. Okay, so part of the reason why he's sharing bed with his sisters. Luckily,
There, we did find a leak on one of the windows.
we did. We've got to get that fixed when we get home. That's pretty much it. Pretty
That's
simplistic day, huh?
It's day 3.
Day 3.
Yep.
Yep.
Head home tomorrow.
So we're gonna get some sleep and chill out and head home, and hopefully we make it home safely.
We'll make it home safely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's our plan. So good night.
Good night.
See you guys tomorrow.